Safeguarding 5.4 notes. This is writing and solving proportions. So after watching this video, we should know how to write and solve proportions. When solving proportions, there's a few steps that we need to follow. The first step is the cross product property. And what that means is we're going to multiply diagonally. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 8, and I'm going to set that equal to the other two numbers being multiplied diagonally, which was 2 times x. Now we're going to simplify that. So 3 times, and actually multiply. So 3 times 8 is 24. And 2 times x, we just keep as 2x. Now we draw our line, and we're going to look at the side that has the variable, and that variable is being multiplied by 2. So we divide by 2 on both sides. It cancels, and I have x equals 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So to put it in perspective, step 1 was multiplying, or was acknowledging what needed to be multiplied. Step 2 is actually multiplying, and then step 3 was when we divided to isolate the variable. So now I want you to do the tries on your own, and then you will check your answers with mine.